Yo, what's up guys? Playgonzo back here with another video. Today we're doing a rod and reel arsenal for my 2017 bass fishing season. This is my Ugly Stik GX2 by Shakespeare. It is 7 feet, 0 inches, medium action, paired with a Quantum Optics. Anyways, that's what that is. I have 20-pound KastKing Fortis braided line. Along with a Berkley Fusion wacky hook and a 5-inch Gary Yamamoto Senko. On to my next combo, I have my Lew's Carbon Fire Speed Spool SLP, a Lew's Carbon ZR Speed Spool. This rod is 6'10". Power, fast action, with a War Eagle buzzbait, and black obviously, and some 50-pound spider wire easy braid. Next we have my my bottom rod. This is my Cabela's Tournament ZX100HS with Lew's handles. Got a Texas rigged brush hog. This reel is paired with a Okuma Connoisseur. This thing is 8'6", medium heavy action, I believe. I don't know though. This line is 15-pound Vicious Fluorocarbon. And then my final setup is my jerkbait rod. This is my Quantum Pulse. This is just my jerkbait reel. 10-pound Vicious Fluorocarbon. We have a Rapala suspending jerkbait in a trout color, and we have this Pflueger and Deaver rod, IM7 6'6", medium action. And then I'll go through all the gear ratios here in a minute. This one is 6:6:1 gear ratio. This one is 7:1:1 gear ratio by Daiwa. You can tell right there it says 7:1, and that means a gear ratio. My top water rod is 7.5:1. And my finesse rod is, I believe, 5.3:1, I think. Let's see here. But yeah, anyways, I don't know what that one is. And here's all my setups. Bass fishing anyways. I have trout fishing too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.